Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Hershey's hot chocolate. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a tiny pinch of salt, and 1 cup of milk. For an extra special touch, have 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. These basic items are all you need to create a comforting and rich beverage right in your own kitchen. Now, let's start by combining our dry ingredients. Take a small saucepan and add 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa powder along with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Don't forget that tiny pinch of salt. It truly helps to bring out the rich chocolate notes. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until they are well combined and there are no lumps. This step ensures a smooth and consistent hot chocolate later on. Next, it's time to introduce the liquid. Gradually pour in 1 cup of milk into your saucepan with the dry mixture. As you add the milk, continuously whisk everything together to ensure a smooth, lump-free consistency. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Continue heating until the hot chocolate is steaming and just begins to simmer around the edges, but do not let it boil. Finally, for those delightful finishing touches, remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor. Carefully pour your warm, rich hot chocolate into your favorite mug. For an extra special treat, consider topping it with a dollop of whipped cream or a handful of fluffy marshmallows. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, comforting Hershey's hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.